Hey everyone, welcome back to Clueless Realtor, where we help realtors succeed. In today's video, my wife Nancy is going to show you how to add a color overlay to your images using our favorite graphic design tool, Canva. This is a great way to add unique visuals to your real estate posts and marketing content, as it will help you stand out from your competitors. And also, you can add your branding colors too, so make sure that you watch all the way until the end. If this is your first time visiting our channel, please consider subscribing, as we upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful real estate business. Now, let's have Nancy take it over from here.
So here we are on Canva, and we are actually using Canva Pro. We highly recommend having the paid version of Canva. If you'd like to try Canva for 30 days for free, please use our referral link. I will leave it right below the video, but we highly recommend it because you could do so much with Canva. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's say you wanted to add a color overlay for a Facebook cover. So let's go ahead and find Facebook cover here. And I'm going to show you how simple it is to do so. So let's say you created a Facebook group for real estate agents. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab a picture here. I'm going to use this one here that I was playing with earlier. And this will make a great photo for a Facebook cover. And then when you're ready to add the overlay, you're going to click on Elements. You're going to go to Shapes. And you're going to pick from the overlay here. I'm going to do this one here, this little box. And what you could do is you could just put the picture, the box right on top, and you could do something like this. You could put it pretty much all over the picture if you wanted to as well. I'm going to just do it right here. And then from here, we're going to pick our branding colors. This is Clueless Realtor, so I'm going to use this color here. And you can make the picture see-through. I'm going to do the transparency and just make it a little bit like that. And then I'm going to add text over it. And I'm going to name this welcome to, let's say I'm doing the Facebook cover for our group, Clueless Realtor. So I'm going to go ahead and stretch this out so the text could get stretched out. And this is how simple it could be if you ever needed to create a Facebook cover. And this is the overlay right here. Now, another cool thing you could use overlays for are for your social media posting. So if you have a new house that just got listed, or maybe you sold a property, you could do so. So let's go ahead and do an example of it so you could follow me along. So let's say I was doing Instagram post. So an Instagram post, the right size is 1080 by 1080 pixel. And let's say I was going to do, let's say a picture of myself, right? Like I'm going to put a picture of Cece, and I want to promote my website, or maybe you have an About Me page on your broker's page that you want to promote. So let's say this is your picture here. You could actually add an overlay to the actual image if you want, and you could reduce the transparency a little bit like that, and you could change this pretty much to any color you desire. So you could do some fun stuff with it if you get really creative. So you could do that. Now for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do an overlay at the bottom of the actual photo. So I'm gonna do this instead, and then from here I'm gonna add text to the top of this image here. So I'm going to say Clueless. Oops, let's change it to white so I can see what I'm typing. And I'm going to type in cluelessrealtor.com. So this is a quick way that you could do an overlay for an existing photo that you have that you want to use on social media, and maybe you want to add a little bit of text. You could even push this to the side and put your logo right here if you wanted to. Another cool thing that you could do is that you could just say, just listed. And let's say you put the address, 300 North Lake, and then you put the pricing, 400,000, right? And you can reduce this in size And you could do something like this as well. And then you could get as creative as you like. So you could, obviously we will put a picture of a house. So let's go ahead and find a house. I'm just going to search here, house, and I'm just going to pick one of these. So let's say this was the house that we're selling. You could technically upload the photo of the property that you just listed or is just listed, and you will put it as your image like this, and you could put the text right on top of it. So, and you could also get very, very creative in the sense that the overlay doesn't have to be just a line down here. You could actually twist it and make something a little bit more fun. So let's go ahead and resize the image right there. That looks good. And you could actually put this like this and have it kind of like peek in the corner like this, just to make it fun, as you can see. So you could do something like this, and then you could change this and just say just listed. And then remember, you could change the color here to kind of match your branding. And then you could just put this here, and you could get fun and creative with it using different types of fonts. You could upload your own font, especially if you have one for your branding. You could upload your logo and add it to the picture. So it's a lot of fun things you could do. But you could do something as simple as this, and put this on top of your photo. You could put something on here saying like details in caption so people can know. That's where they could find more information on it. And you could put your logo here, right here if you wanted to. But this is how simple it is to use Canva, and how simple it is that you could add any type of color overlay on top of any photo. So let us know if you enjoyed this video, if you would like us to create additional videos utilizing Canva and showing you different tips and tricks. And if you like the video, don't forget to like it and leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching.